Welcome traders to freetradingvideos.com. You're here with Breakout Trader. I'm going to take you through a reversal candlestick formation here today. This was a trade I executed on the NQ, which is the NASDAQ E-mini future. I will be illustrating this trade using the Qs just to appeal to a wider audience. A lot of traders, when they come across and say, well, hey, this guy's trading day trading futures, I have no interest in that, I'm not even going to watch this video. A lot of traders like to trade the Qs intraday. We have quite a few traders in the FTV forums that trade E-mini futures as well as trade the ETFs, the Qs, and the spiders and that type of stuff. So we're going to illustrate this formation using the Qs today. Let's get going on this formation. As we go through here, I'm going to annotate what we're looking at so we can come down. We have a swing low. We come back up to a swing high. Okay, down to a lower swing low. We retrace back up to a lower swing high, and one more down, and boom. Now the magic number, what we're looking for this formation, is 3. So this is the first swing low. This is the second swing low right here, and this is the third. Once we have 1, 2, and 3 lower swing lows in place, we are then looking for an inverted V. Now the inverted V is right here. Now another way to look at an inverted V is a double bottom formation. Now what we call this is 3 thrust to a low with a V. 1, 2, 3 V is what the way my mentor taught me to take this trade. So what we have now is we have the 3 thrust to the low, we have the inverted V, we have the complete setup taking place. And before we go a little bit further here, I want to introduce the MACD into this. We can see we're coming down in value in the chart. We can see the MACD is rising. So we have a bullish divergence taking place here, which adds to the probability of this trade working for us. Now for the entry, what we're looking for is above the swing high right here. So we're looking at this 44.52 area to enter the trade. Resistance. My first resistance level will be right through here. So I'm going to take a portion of the trade in profit right there. Then this is my target. The bottom of the gap, which would be the top of the opening candle. So if we can get above 44.52, we're going to take the entry. We get to this 44.70 area. We're going to sell a portion of this trade, hit our target. We'll sell another portion of the trade, and then we can look to either hold this trade for a longer term day trade, or we could exit the entire trade up there. So let's go. When I move this to the next candle here, all this annotation will disappear. So if you need to study this more, just hit pause before moving forward. So right here, the next candle, we get the entry. Break above that 44.52 area. We see we pop straight up and immediately retrace. Stop loss is down here at 44.40 area. As we go forth, here's that big candle to the upside now. This is exactly what we're looking for. Now remember, this 44.70 area is my first resistance. So I'm going to take a portion of the trade off the table here to secure a profit. As we move forth, you just get a little candle. Next candle, we pop right up into my target right there. At the target there, I sell a larger portion of the position, just holding a small portion of the trade right now. As we move forward, we get the pullback, and another nice big candle to the upside. What we're looking for here is to break this high to fill the gap right now. Now that does not take place. What we get is a tweezers pattern. 2 candles about the same size, engulfing each other. So what I've done right now is looking for potential high base formation. So this could be a high base formation coming right through here. Could also be a double top when we break down. Now with the strength of the move we had here and the money flow coming into the markets, it was very, very promising. So I'm looking to hold this position for a longer term day trade. So my stop is underneath here. So let's call it 44.62 in these charts. Remember, I took the trade on the NASDAQ futures. So we now have a double top. We're still on the trade right here. We move straight back up. Now we cannot break above the resistance here. So let me just illustrate a little something for you. So we move up here. We come back down. You can see now we have 2 swing highs at the same price point. Now that double top was then pushed back into a double bottom. So now we have a double bottom reversing the double top formation. That's giving me probability to break above this resistance and move to the upside. What is against me right here is this long upper shadow developed on this candle here. That does not help our situation. Remember, our stop is right down here. Let's see what takes place as we move forth. Again, another long shadow on top, small body candle. Nice little pullback. This is exactly what we need to be seeing here to break above. Not good. Again, we get this long shadow, so we can see where the sellers are sitting right now based just on purely on candlesticks. Candlesticks are a phenomenal tool for traders. There we go, higher. Okay, getting to that 44.80 area again. So this is where the sellers are still sitting, just in this price point here. But looking promising right here. My stop is still down here at 44.62. Then we get the reversal coming down. Now here we get the shadow on the bottom of the candle. Looking good, and then boom, out of the trade right there. Now from here, we just continue down. So this here, coming back to the trade, 1, 2, 3 inverted V. That's our reversal play. Thanks for attending freetradingvideos.com. This is Breakout Trader. Breakout is out.